Mastering English. Assessing Summaries with Rubrics. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on reading comprehension strategies in English. Today, we're honing in on the process of summarizing information. Specifically, we'll be diving into the world of rubrics and how they're used to evaluate summaries. This is a critical skill, not just in language learning, but in any form of academic or professional writing. Let's get started. Before we jump into using rubrics, let's first understand what they are. A rubric is a scoring guide used to evaluate the quality of students' constructed responses. It lays out specific expectations about what an excellent, good, fair, or poor response looks like. When it comes to summaries, a rubric can help us determine how well we've distilled the main ideas and supporting details from a text. A summary rubric typically has several components or criteria. 1. Content. This looks at how effectively you've captured the main ideas, supporting details, and overall understanding of the text. 2. Organization. This examines how well your summary is structured. Is it logical? Does it flow well? 3. Language use. Here, your grammar, vocabulary, and punctuation come under scrutiny. Are you using English accurately and effectively? 4. Concision. A key aspect of summarizing is brevity. This component evaluates whether you've avoided unnecessary details and repetition. Each of these components is usually scored on a scale, for example from 1 to 5, with clear descriptions of what each score represents. One of the great benefits of rubrics is that they're not just for teachers to evaluate students. They can also be used for self-evaluation. As you practice your summarizing skills, try applying the rubric to your own work. It's a fantastic way to objectively assess your strengths and weaknesses, and to track your progress over time. That's a wrap on rubrics for evaluating summaries. Remember, these tools are here to help you refine your skills, not to intimidate you. By understanding and using rubrics, you can become more adept at summarizing and improve your English language proficiency. We hope you found this video helpful, and as always, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep growing.